For about a month now, as we all know, the tri-state has been under a stay-at-home order, closing many businesses and altering how others are operated. Well, today, governors from Indiana, Kentucky, and Illinois all discussed the possibility of reopening their states. Eyewitness News' Miranda Meister has more.
Stay-at-home orders due to COVID-19 in the tri-state have been active for almost a month. This is causing some people to ask when we might get back to normal. Tri-state governors say the date is dependent on a few things.
If you look at it in terms of where we are right now, we're still letting, and we'll always be in this situation where we're letting the data drive our decisions.
We're going to rely upon the epidemiologists and the scientists to tell us what social distancing measures, what stay-at-home measures we need to keep in place in order to keep the population from having a spike of COVID-19 infections.
Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb says the amount of COVID cases will play a role in determining when the Hoosier state is ready, but it won't be all at once.
In terms of how we will reopen or re-engage on the economic front, it'll be a rolling reopen. It won't be all at once. It won't be flipping a light switch.
Holcomb says he's working with governors in Kentucky and Ohio on reopening plans, and he's reached out to Pritzker and the governor of Michigan. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear says this partnership will continue since the states sharing borders will play a role in the potential spread of the virus.
First of all, we do this thoughtfully. We do it thoughtfully to make sure that we don't see a reemergence of the virus, and regionally it is so critical. We got to make sure that we are working together to make sure that one area isn't on top of the virus and the other brings it in, and vice versa.
Other mayors in the tri-state say they also plan to follow their state's guidelines. President Donald Trump says he'd like to be able to reopen the nation's economy by May 1st. But governors here in the tri-state say they plan on using data and the growth of the virus when it comes to the reopening here. Reporting in Evansville, Miranda Meister, Eyewitness News.